Before starting, I ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and at the end, share it with your friends. Let's go to the video.
At Rheinmetall we build tanks, and while they have a reputation of being clunky and heavy, that is actually a misconception. I do admit they are not as slick and elegant as a jet fighter or as a motorsports car, but innovation is actually key for those vehicles to prevail on the battlefield. A good example is the compromise, the trade-off between protection, which drives weight, and speed, because they are not supposed to be stationary. They'd be bunkers then, but they have to be moving on the battlefield. Another element where we see innovation, especially brought forward in the Boxer program, is modularity. The Boxer has a common drive module across the fleet, but allows for reconfigurable mission modules for their specific variant roles. This allows the user, or even the commander in theater, to adapt his or her fleet for the respective mission purposes.